What's the meaning of cubic? Cubic. Cubic.
Cubic. Cubic. Cubic is an adjective that refers to something that has 3 dimensions and is shaped like a cube. In mathematics, it can also refer to an expression or equation involving the third power of a variable. When used to describe a physical object, a cubic shape is often considered to be symmetrical and stable. The word cubic is commonly used in geometry, engineering, and architecture. It can also be used to describe the volume or capacity of something that has cubic dimensions. Overall, cubic denotes a 3-dimensional shape or form that is box-like and well-structured.